Entering into the world of marriage is one of the most exciting events in a person's life. And now, Dame has come into it. Reminiscing the past, I would like to ask myself, is this the little boy I carried? Is this the little boy I played? And the answer is, surely he is. He was my little boy before, that now wants to build his own family. All I could wish is that, with the blessing of our Almighty Father, he will have a successful married life. He will have more success in the field of his endeavors. Then, congratulations, together with your wife, Tessa. We love you and God bless.
Congratulations for the both of you. I'm hoping for a good life ahead of you. Good luck for your marriage life. I wish you would be able to surpass all the challenges that you would be facing away from your family. I wish you were home, but you are now celebrating the most important event of your life. God bless.